there's been a lot of discussion of the proper way to jack up a trailer. Do your research and you decide how you want to lift your trailer. What we did was roll the trailer up on blocks, so we only had to lift the trailer about an inch, then remove the blocks from under the tires. So that saves a lot of lifting. If you look under the back side there, you can see the tires up on the blocks there. And again, we don't want to have any Darwin applicants here, so figure it out on your own, and you do all this at your own risk, of course. Hey, we bought some Oops paint from Lowe's, which saved a few dollars. Use exterior paint when you're painting this board. Used a 1-inch thick board, and if you don't have the skills to cut and paint a board, this project may not be for you. Put about 8 coats of exterior paint on that board, so it should last a good long time, because obviously it's going to get a lot of abuse up underneath the wheel well. Picture you can see the black material I'm talking about, just not much protection between the wheel and the floor of the trailer, which is the reason that we did this project. And also, after seeing some blowouts and seeing the damage that it can cause to that wheel well, we decided it was well worth the time and the effort to protect this part of the trailer. We use self-tapping screws and metal brackets to attach the board up in the wheel well. You may have some better ideas, so if you do, please list them below down in the comments so others can glean your knowledge. This is just the way that we did it, and I'm sure there's other ways and better ways of doing that. And as you can see here, just kind of angled those screws through the metal and used a washer to kind of dig into the board to hold it up in place. As with most things I do, it's probably a bit overkill, but it should hold it. Now here you can see a gap between the metal and the wood, and the concern there was that there would be water that could get up underneath there and get up under that board and rot it out. So we used some metal tape to cover that gap up. And of course, after doing this and thinking about it, I'm like, I probably could have caulked that and done just as well. Again, list any ideas you may have in the comments below on how to seal those gaps up. Here's a picture of the tape that we used. I'm not sure it was the best idea. I'm not sure how long it'll last, but we'll see. And here you can see what the finished product looks like. It's not pretty, but it wasn't meant to be pretty. It was meant to be functional. Everything's sealed off so no water gets back up underneath that board. And this should protect the wheel well, so if you have a blowout, you don't destroy the underside.
We want to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. Please put your comments below. Any ideas, things you'd like to see, just comments about the videos. Much appreciated. Join us on Instagram at just.let.me.travel. And as always, please ring the bell, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so that you can be notified of new videos. We will be traveling and doing RV renovations and just whatever we can come up with, who knows. So new videos every week. And again, thank you so very much for joining us today.